come in for 2-3 weeks for a module, go back and work, come later for another module, go and work, come for another module, and accumulate a credit system that will give them a final certificate once they finish all the modules. So we have introduced curriculum changes to introduce modularization of the curriculum, to introduce recognition of prior learning, and to introduce the dual training policy that mandates or that makes it mandatory for all TVET students to have industry experience before they graduate. Ni 2 terms, si 2 terms. 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 Wacha nione mbwekse ya William Ruto jameni, mbwekse, mbwekse, mbwekse. Wale ambao wanaongea mambo ya elimu tafadhali. I want to reiterate what the party leader said recently. Please don't disturb us. We are trying to sort out the mess you created in the education sector. Tunataka tuwawekee kibao hapo, men at work. Don't disturb. Don't disturb. Wewe abana sumbua sisi. We are busy fixing the problems that you left in the education sector. Fire, see fire. Fire, see fire. And you know what surprises us? The people lecturing us about schools, about education, during their tenure, all these problems were manufactured when they were in office. Shida ya curriculum, shida ya no teachers, no classrooms, all these problems were manufactured when they were in office. And the only track record we know of when they are in office, when they were in office, in that sector of education, is selling land for a school here in Nairobi called Ruaraka. Si kuna ardhi iliuzwa hapa ya Ruaraka ya shule? Si mnajua wale waliuza? Hao watu wawachane na sisi. Tutawaibisha. 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 Wewe nani wewe? Wewe nani? Wewe. Wewe. Wacha bwana. Thank you very much. So, wasituchokoze, na wakituchokoza tutawaambia vile tuliambia ule mwingine pale Mbeere North. Tutawaambia vile tuliambia ule mwingine pale Mbeere North. Simulisikia mambo ya Mbeere North? Ile mambo ya Wamuthende? Wewe nani wewe? Wewe nani wewe? Wewe nani wewe? Wewe nani wewe? Bas. Number 4. Naomba tuketi jameni. Naomba tuketi. Number 4.